Palghar and Nasik offer offbeat destinations where one can relive Maharashtra's vibrant cultural landscape. Just 2 hours from Mumbai lies Palghar, home to Wali painting, folk songs, and dances framed by the seaside charm and historic forts. Further north, Surgana in Nasik nestles in the UNESCO-recognized Western Ghats, where folk songs, dances, and Bohada masks bring mythology to life. Dotted with waterfalls and hot springs, these regions invite you to explore a world where culture is not just remembered, but lived every day. Ganjar village in Palghar's Dahanu Taluka is the land of Wali painting. The home of Padma Shri Jivya Soma Mase, Ganjar continues to nurture generations of Wali artists, for whom this art is not merely creative expression, but a way of life, a source of existence. A short drive from Ganjar lies Bapugaon, a village alive with folk performing traditions. It's also a hub for Wali painting and Tarpa instrument making, where music and art blend seamlessly. Visitors can savor local cuisines here, prepared with warmth and care by the village families. By the seaside, Gholwar welcomes you with the scent of chiku orchards and the rhythm of village life. Here, women skillfully twist bamboo into utility and decorative items, while songs and dances fill the air, creating a perfect blend of creativity and community by the coast.
Hello, Vedobroto, Sandeep Bhatia. We are Delhi Fundus. So we are based out of Delhi. We are a channel. So we saw a dance performance, a Tarpa dance performance at sunset on the sea beach, and that's probably the best stage that I've ever come across in my life.
Nasik Surgana too has much to offer. The Hadgar Fort, believed to have been hand-built in a single day by the foot soldiers of Shivaji Maharaj for him to rest after a conquest, stands as a proud reminder of history. An hour's drive from the fort lies Tribhuvan Chichpara and Tribhuvan Barda, villages vibrant with folk performing art traditions. From the energetic Thakar Nritta to the soulful Dange Nritta, these performances reflect how dance here is not just art, but a celebration of community spirit. By the soothing waters of Tatapani hot springs and the cascading Sakhalchond waterfall lies Pimpalsond, home to the magnificent Bohada mask and dance tradition. Here, mythological figures come alive through the sculpting of masks, their stories retold through music, rhythm, and movement. From the beats of Bagparu Nritta to the artistry of Bohada masks, Pimpalsond and its neighboring villages invite you to witness culture not as a display, but as a way of life, a living heritage carried proudly by its people.
मेरा नाम अजय बेहरा है, मैं भुवनेश्वर से आया हूँ एंड आई एम ए डॉक्यूमेंट्री फोटोग्राफर। पहले हम लोग नासिक गए, वहाँ पे जो डांस था सबसे मज़ेदार लगा। जो राठौड़ डांस था, इतना पावरफुल डांस था, इतना बढ़िया तरीक़ा से वो लोग हमको वेलकम किया, लेके गया। फिर हम लोग पालघर आए, पालघर में जो बीन तरपा, उसका जो धुन था मतलब कानों में अभी तक गूंज रहा है। मैं चाहूँगा कि हर देश का हर कोने से सारे लोग आए, नासिक और पालघर दोनों को एक्सपीरियंस करें। बहुत बढ़िया जर्नी रहेगा आप लोगों का। थैंक यू, नमस्ते।